need somebody to untie me. These guys really tie me up, and this is my first time doing this trick. I'm sorry. So you guys gonna really make me do this? All right, fine, I'll do it. Wait, but not for free. But before I get out, let me introduce myself. I do a selling show, but if I don't talk, I don't get. So here's my story. My name is Rogelio. I come from Mexico City. Okay, 1 second. I got a green card. I come from Mexico City. This is what I do for a living. Nobody pays me to be out here but you. And I know I was mad about it too when I found out, but that's how it works for me. You have been watching street magic, street theater. You get to decide what the tickets are worth. If you think my shoes were 20, you put a 20 in the hat. If you think my shoes were a 5 or a 10, you put a 5 or a 10 in the hat. If you think my shoes were $1, you put a 5 or a 20 in the hat. If you don't have any money, don't worry. There's an ATM machine right over there. They only spit out 20, so you're covered. Now look, listen. If you don't have any money, don't walk away. The least you can do is come and shake my hand and tell them I did a pretty good job. Is that a deal? Yep. Is that a deal?
Yeah.
I'll try to escape in less than 60 seconds. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Great. Thank you, the three of you.
Yes.
Yes. You guys, everybody, not just the kids and the drunken people. Look at them laugh. Now we know who the alcoholics are. I miss the good old days when the alcoholics used to be anonymous. Never mind that. Okay, here we go. I'll try to escape in less than 60 seconds. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
You guys having a good time?
Yes.
You should get out more. Everybody goes one. All right, look, everybody, okay? I was cool to count. Oh, look where I work now. So everybody counts. Here we go. Everybody goes one. 2, 3. All right, here we go.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Slow down.
12.
We're kidding. Okay, here we go.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44.
Guys, mind if I check my Facebook?
47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
Whatever! What do you expect from a magician, really? From Mexico. No, look, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to use the key. Somebody wants to build a wall. I don't know. And we got tunnels. All right, here we go. Oh, outside trick is not working. Start the car. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy my show. I really enjoy showing to you. I'll be holding out my hat for tips and donations. This is how I make my way. Please support my art. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day here at the Seattle Center.